Looking for the best fishing gloves to enhance your outdoor experience? In this video, we're reviewing the top 5 fishing gloves of 2024. Discover gloves that offer unmatched comfort, protection, and durability for all types of fishing. Perfect for any angler looking to improve their grip and shield their hand from the elements. Let's dive in. Number 5. The Rockfish FP39 93G all-purpose fishing gloves by Cordova offer a durable and versatile option for both saltwater and freshwater fishing. Made from flexible, machine-knit 13-gauge polyester, these gloves are built to withstand harsh conditions and frequent wear. They feature a non-slip latex grip, ensuring you never lose hold of a wet fish, even in challenging conditions. These gloves are designed with a durable, machine-washable material that resists deterioration from saltwater exposure, making them a reliable choice for all fishing environments. Sized in X large, they offer a roomy but comfortable fit, though some users recommend sizing down for a more snug feel. Priced affordably, they provide great value for both novice and seasoned anglers, with customers noting the excellent grip and durability. One user praised them for protecting hands while handling sharp fishing lines, while another highlighted their usefulness for fish scaling. Overall, the Rockfish FP39 93G gloves deliver strong grip, flexibility, and value for money, making them a solid addition to any angler's gear at a budget-friendly price point. Number 4. The Berkeley coated fishing gloves in blue-gray offer anglers reliable hand protection with a textured grip ideal for handling slippery fish. Designed for durability, these heavy-duty gloves provide excellent flexibility, allowing for comfortable, unimpeded hand movement. Made with a coated exterior, they effectively shield your hands from sharp objects and fish handling hazards, making them a practical choice for both experienced anglers and beginners. One size fits most, and despite concerns about sizing, reviewers confirm these gloves fit well for a variety of hand sizes. One user, a 6-foot, 200-pound man, found the gloves comfortably roomy around the wrists, which can be especially useful when handling wet gear. Another user praised the gloves' sturdy, penetration-resistant material, which offers great protection from fish with teeth or sharp hooks. The washable material adds convenience, allowing anglers to keep the gloves clean and ready for multiple uses. Overall, the Berkeley coated fishing gloves deliver a strong, textured grip and essential hand protection, all at an affordable price point, making them an excellent choice for anyone looking to improve their fishing experience with a sturdy and practical glove option. Number 3. The Big Worm Fishing Fish Handling Cleaning Gloves are designed for anglers who want protection, comfort, and cleanliness while handling fish. These gloves are crafted with a textured grip surface on the palms and fingers, providing excellent control when dealing with slippery fish, bait, and fishing gear. Ideal for fish cleaning and filleting, the rubber material is both durable and easy to hand wash, keeping maintenance simple. These ambidextrous, one-size-fits-most gloves are designed for L to XL hand sizes, making them versatile for various users. Customers highlight their effectiveness in preventing accidental pokes or stings from fish, with one user even mentioning how these gloves make handling big catches safe and easy. Another user found them perfect for removing hooks, noting that the gloves cause no harm to the fish. The soft lining adds comfort, making them easy to wear for extended fishing sessions. For anglers who prefer keeping their hands clean, or for those who don't enjoy touching bait directly, these gloves are an ideal choice. They're praised not only for their quality, but also for their reasonable fit and practical use, making them a valuable addition to any fishing kit. With fast shipping and a design that caters to both men and women, these gloves offer great utility at an affordable price. Number 2. The Cast King Mountain Mist Fishing Gloves are built for anglers and outdoor enthusiasts who need warmth, flexibility, and functionality in cold weather. Made from neoprene with a fleece-lined back, these gloves provide warmth while ensuring a comfortable fit. They feature open finger slots with hook and loop catches, allowing you to expose your fingertips for tasks requiring dexterity, like baiting hooks or using a smartphone, without fully removing the gloves. With touch-screen-friendly fingertips, these gloves make it easy to operate smartphones while keeping your hands mostly covered. The anti-slip palm, crafted from soft neoprene and microfiber, ensures a secure grip even in wet conditions. And the PRYM1 camo pattern adds a unique and stylish look. One user appreciated the waterproof quality and the snap clasp that keeps the pair together when not in use, preventing loss. These gloves are versatile, functioning as well for ice fishing, photography, or hunting as they do for fishing. Another user praised them for their utility in extreme conditions, sharing how they performed well during a snowstorm. If you're looking for a reliable pair of gloves to keep your hands warm, dry, and functional in cold weather, the King Mountain Mist gloves are a fantastic option. Number 1. The Palou Ice Fishing Gloves are a versatile and practical choice for anyone braving cold weather, whether for fishing, photography, or outdoor activities. These convertible mittens easily transform from warm mittens to fingerless gloves using magnets, allowing for maximum dexterity when you need it most, perfect for tasks like tying knots, texting, or handling your camera. Insulated with 40 grams of 3M Thinsulate and featuring a windproof TPU membrane, these gloves provide excellent warmth without excess bulk. They perform well in temperatures around 20 degrees Fahrenheit, making them suitable for moderate winter conditions. Additionally, the wrist pocket is designed to accommodate heat packs for added warmth, enhancing comfort during extended outdoor activities. The silicone palm grips ensure a secure hold on fishing rods, cameras, or any tools, while the ergonomic design helps prevent blisters and calluses. Users appreciate the gloves' reflective strips for added visibility during low-light conditions, and the pull rings that simplify putting them on or taking them off. One reviewer praised their functionality at the barn, noting the excellent grip and warmth even in temperatures as low as 4 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're an angler or simply enjoying winter activities, the Palou Ice Fishing Gloves are a reliable and stylish option for cold weather performance. Thanks for watching our review of the top 5 fishing gloves of 2024. We hope you found the perfect pair to keep your hands comfortable and protected on your next fishing adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews. Drop a comment with your favorite fishing glove or any questions below. Happy fishing!